Hi everyone, welcome to another week in my hair video. So this is a fresh wash and go. I did this wash and go last night and I just had it up in a pineapple all day. I just worked out and I'm going to attempt to use dry shampoo on my curly hair for the first time because all this exercising and sweating in my head, like I sweat so much in my head, and I really don't want to have to shampoo or even co-wash my hair every 2 days because I just don't like all the manipulation, even if it's just a co-wash, to restyle it and stuff more than once a week. I think it's a bit too much. I just worked out, I had a shower, and now I'm going to try to dry the inside of my head, which is full of sweat, of course. So to dry it, well, I don't have a hooded dryer. I do have a bonnet type dryer, but I don't want to go under the dryer, so I figure I will just leave my hair open and just sit in front of the fan. Yes, we in the Caribbean still use fans. I ended up going in with my blow dryer on cool because the fan was just taking too long and I'm going out, so I don't got time for that. So what I'm going to do with the application of the dry shampoo is that I'm just going to allow my hair to part wherever the curls want to part. I'm not going to start from the root and separate it. I'm just going to follow wherever it's falling, and once I get access to my scalp there, I will spray the dry shampoo towards the roots of my hair because it's really just the root of your hair that needs it. And this is the shampoo that I'll be using. Herbal Essences dry shampoo in crimson, orange and mint. I want to use this because of the scent of what that you get from wet, sweaty hair. So I'm just gonna shake it and get to the roots of my hair. Does leave a bit of a white residue. Okay, so I've left the dry shampoo in a bit and now I'm just going to work it into my roots. As you can see, my hair is going under and massaging, focusing on my scalp. I'm not touching my curls, I'm not touching the ends of my hair because I don't want to disrupt the curls. I was going to leave my hair open to try to be cute, but these days are just too hot and I sweat all the time and my hair down would just be suicide. I would be so uncomfortable and I wouldn't be able to focus. I wouldn't be able to focus and practice on what we're doing, and I really just don't like to be sweaty and uncomfortable. So I'm just going to tie my hair up with a scarf into a pineapple. And as my hair grows, the top of my pineapple is getting like floppier and floppier. So I'm just going to put another hair tie to kind of hold it up so it wouldn't like look so spread out and weird. Yeah, so that's it. I am probably just going to neaten up my edges a bit, and this is how I'm going to wear my hair to go to practice. And I'll probably leave it just like this to sleep tonight in a pineapple because I always just wear my hair in a pineapple. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it is Friday 20th of June, and I just took my hair down. I did not record anything yesterday concerning my hair because I really just didn't do anything with it. So what is happening is, because I'm now self-employed, I don't have to wake up every morning and style my hair to go to work. These week in my hair videos might get a bit shorter. This is the wash and go that I did earlier on this week, and I wanted to show you guys how it is looking right now. It is a bit dry because I didn't do the shower cap refresh that I normally do, and I didn't refresh any of the curls. This is just how it's been because, like I said, I haven't been going anywhere. So this is how it looks, and I think the definition is still pretty good. Yeah. And what I'm realizing though is my roots are getting very puffy, like puffier than usual because of the exercise. So, but I don't think there's much that I could do about that. This is just part of having an active lifestyle and having natural hair. So I just basically wanted to talk to you guys a bit concerning what I've found since I've been using the dry shampoo. The first thing I realized is that it is not having any significant impact on the moisture level of my hair. So my roots, my hair on a whole does not feel any drier than it usually does. It doesn't feel stiff or anything like that. So that is a big plus to me, because one of my concerns using the shampoo, I was wondering if it would have an effect on the products that I had in my hair and if it was going to be stiff, and I have not experienced any of those problems. Another thing with the dry shampoo is that you do not need to apply it every single time you exercise. So since I've been using the dry shampoo, I've realized that after the first application, it sort of coats your scalp. I didn't use it yesterday when I worked out. So when I worked out yesterday, I just left my hair in a pineapple and I just left it to dry while I slept overnight. And when I woke up this morning, I took down my hair, which is how it is now, and I've been sort of just massaging my scalp, trying to smell to see if I am getting any sour scent, and it actually has a mild scent of the dry shampoo still. The reason why I'm going to apply it again this morning is because I'm going out this weekend to a retreat. So the retreat will be from Friday to Sunday. I'll be back home Sunday evening, but I don't want to carry the dry shampoo with me. I'm so impressed with this product. I am going to be using it in the future. Maybe I will try different dry shampoo brands, but dry shampoo on a whole, I'm going to incorporate it into my regimen. These days have been extremely hot, so I don't want to go to the retreat with my hair open like this. I'm just going to put my hair up in a pineapple because it's the most comfortable thing for me to do. So today is Tuesday. I came back from the retreat on Sunday evening, and I don't know if you could tell by the way that I'm talking, I got the cold again. Yay me. So yesterday I was just out of it. I spent the entire day sleeping yesterday, and so for the entire retreat, my hair was in a pineapple, like I told you guys. And then yesterday, my hair was just in a pineapple as well. And I took it down because I had a headache. So I just took down my hair last night. And I wanted you guys to see the state of my hair. It is dry, it is matted, and I have the cold. So I don't want to wash. I think it wouldn't be wise of me to wash my hair because it takes forever to dry and I already have the cold. Yeah, my hair is extremely dry, so ideally I would not recommend manipulating dry hair. Like, this is the worst time to manipulate your hair. But what I'm going to do is just sort of finger detangle a bit and stretch out the curls like I normally do before I wash my hair. If you guys missed my wash day routine, I will link it down below. But yeah, I'm just going to stretch up my curls, and then I'm going to spray water on the ends of my hair and add some nourishing conditioner. This is my Healthy Hair by Ren nourishing conditioner. As you can see, it's like it's almost done, so I have to make some more of this for me. But yeah, I'm going to apply that to my hair and just either twist it or braid it in small sections. When I put the conditioner in my hair today, it's gonna kind of be like a deep condition. I won't shampoo. I'll just go wash, and I will start my next video from tomorrow, please God, after wash day. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that this video was informative. Yes, I know I look crazy again, and I promised that I was gonna work on it, but you know, life just happens. Life just happens, you know. So yeah, let me do this thing, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.